Why Murata RFIDs are the preferred choice. Optimal solution for embedded tire tags. When embedding RFIDs into tires, the selection of the mounting position significantly impacts both performance and durability. At Murata, we use simulations and measurement evaluations based on our extensive experience to provide expert support in determining the optimal embedding position for your tires. Murata's RFIDs are manufactured through an integrated process at our Komatsu Murata manufacturing plant. Our RFIDs are high-quality products boasting a production record of over 100 million units. Thanks to our stable supply system and reliable quality, they have been adopted for use by many companies. Going forward, Murata will continue to promote the digital transformation of various operations through our RFID technology. Feel free to contact us about product details or consultations.